Now if you look, I've got exactly one RAM stick in. Will you agree with that? Okay. I don't know how much this RAM stick is. I'm going to look at the labeling and see if it says anything that might be giving me a clue. I see something that says 4 by 64, and remember these are 64 bits wide, so that's 4 million of 64 wide. So to make that 4 wide, we have to do 64 divided by 8. 64 divided by 8 is 8, and 8 times 4 is 32 megabytes. So what I'm going to do is we're going to boot the computer up now, and we're going to watch the very beginning of the boot process. This is that part with the text part that you usually don't pay attention to. Well, we're going to be paying real close attention to it, because one thing that every computer does as it boots up, it creates what's known as a RAM count. So if you ever want to know how much RAM you have in your system, just reboot the computer. It says it right on the screen. Okay, we're booting up the system. Now watch very closely. Okay, I'm going to hit pause. What I've done is I just hit the pause key on my keyboard so you can see it. If you look up, do you see where it says memory test? Now it says 32768K. Now how is that a megabyte? Okay, well think about it. Remember a K is 1,000, so put 3 zeros in there and you get about 32 million, right? In fact, a little bit over 32 million. That's 32 megabytes. This is your primary tool to determine whether your RAM has booted up properly. I now know that that's a 32 megabyte stick.